Greetings from Lidingo, and I am exploring a completely new beach for me and kind of a secret one on this 20th of December, believe it or not, just 5 days away from Christmas. This December has been crazy hot, and right now it is 8 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna soon check out the temperature in the water as well. In the Baltic Sea, this is. Let's see what we are dealing with. 7 degrees Celsius, believe it or not. This is super warm for this month. And yeah, then we continue the beach adventures, it seems. Beach day number 164 is today. And I have my Santa hat on as we are only 5 days away from Christmas Day and 4 days only until Christmas Eve. And I'm in Lidingo and I have been walking around and trying to find a beach, as this island is known for its marathon that's called Lidingo. It's actually 30 kilometers, but it's a terrain marathon indeed. And it's quite difficult, and it's part of the Svenska Klassiker, the Swedish classic, which includes 4 very demanding races, including 30 kilometers running, then also 90 kilometers of cross-country skiing, which is Vasaloppet, 300 kilometers of cycling, which is the Vätternrunda, around the second largest lake in Sweden, Vättern, and it's also 3 kilometers of swimming in a river. Vansbrosimningen, yes, exactly. I am all alone in this beautiful nature here, and this beach is very close to Brygga, which is the last stop of the boat line that goes from Brygga from Lidingo and then passes by through several islands. That over there is Storholmen. It's a habitat island with houses that you can see, and people on that island have not just boat line, but also they can take a small boat to Brygga, where they have also parking that can continue to go to either Lidingo or to Stockholm. And yeah, it's gonna be challenging today to swim because I need to go in from the coast. But it's quite of a nice beach, and this beach is not marked on the map as any type of beach, but you can find it very close to Brygga, which is the boat stop. And it has also, I think it continues also a bit around the edge over there. And yeah, Kris continues with the beach adventures. I have recently hit also 43,000 subscribers, which means I am getting closer to the 100k subscribers, which I'm gonna get a silver status on YouTube and a nice trophy to hang it on the wall. So let's see if that's gonna happen next year, as I'm really hoping to get a lot more subscribers during the Eurovision season, hopefully, as Eurovision is one of my biggest passions outside of beach. So I guess I'm the only person in the world that combines Eurovision and beach in one YouTube channel. So it's getting a bit chilly because of the wind. Even though it is 8 degrees Celsius, it feels like it is 4 actually in the air. And let me show you a bit more of the surroundings, so before we get into the sea, the Baltic Sea. 7 degrees Celsius in the water as stated, so quite nice. And it's only the wind that is the biggest problem. The forecast said it's gonna be sun today, but unfortunately the day is coming to an end. And what is good thing is that from today onwards we're gonna have more daylight as the day is getting longer. I think yesterday or today was the shortest day of the year. So from now on it's only getting better and better. Santa hat goes off as me getting ready for the dip, which is going to be short but sweet, hopefully. Yes. Ooh. Follow me in my beach adventure. Here we have rocks in the bottom. And it's quite cold, I'm not gonna lie. It's much easier when you have steps and then you just go in directly. I also have red swimsuit on because it's Christmas. But I'm freezing right now. The wind does not make things easier. Tomorrow is gonna be colder and next week is gonna be only 1 degree Celsius maximum. So this is probably the last swim of 2025. 164 beach day. So Kris is ready for a dip in this secret beach, which I'm gonna come to again in summer and show you in the Baltic Sea on 20th of December, believe it or not. So ready, set and go. So here where I am, it started to get deep quite fast. Okay, if it wasn't for the wind, it's gonna be 10 out of 10. But I'm not gonna lie, it's quite nice despite the grey weather. Nice beach overlooking Storholmen, another island. And yeah, that is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this beach adventure with me from Lidingo, from the secret beach. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel this year or next year. And the channel is called Beach Adventures with Kris.